Welcome everyone to BLUU FLASH, our February edition, Part 1. Today, we will highlight key updates designed to give restaurants more control, flexibility, and efficiency in their online ordering experience. In this session, we'll start with a quick fact sheet overview, explore managing online store hours in real time, and wrap up with a short demo video to see it all in action. BLUU's epipay is our online ordering module designed specifically for restaurants. It allows merchants to accept online orders through epipay.com, with orders delivered either by email or directly into the POS using BLUU Restaurant Pro or BLUU Restaurant. The experience is fully branded, easy to manage, and built to fit seamlessly into existing restaurant operations. epipay, the online ordering platform with full store hours control. This feature puts control directly in the merchant's hands. With just a few taps on the POS, online ordering hours can be updated instantly. No back-office login, no support call. It's fast, simple, and ideal when the unexpected happens. With that overview in mind, let's take a moment to see this feature in action. We will walk through a quick visual demo so you can clearly see how easy it is to manage online store hours directly from the POS. Online order hours, temporary close. From the main screen, we will start by navigating to Operations Settings. Depending on your system setup, you may be prompted to enter the manager's password to continue. Next, we will select Online Order Hours. Here on the screen, you can see the current online business hours. To make a change, simply select the day and time you want to modify, then check the Temporary Close option. Once selected, click Update. When the confirmation pop-up appears, select Yes to apply the change. The update is now complete. As shown on the screen, the store's online ordering hours have been updated on the online ordering page. If a customer tries to place and pay for an order at this time, they will receive a message stating, "Our online ordering is temporarily closed. Sorry for the inconvenience." Now, let's re-enable online ordering. We will uncheck Temporary Close, click Update, and confirm the change. Online ordering is now active again, and customers can once again place and pay for their orders. To wrap up, the online order hours setting puts merchants in full control, with easy access right at your fingertips. It helps prevent unnecessary orders during emergencies or closures, reduces errors, and ensures a smoother experience for both merchants and customers. Thank you for joining BLUU FLASH, February edition, Part 1.